Guys, in this video, I will show you my personal go-to online trading platform that caters to everything trading that you need. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Puprime. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is rapidly gaining recognition as one of the best trading apps that is available in the market today. It delivers a seamless and professional experience for traders of all levels. So be it you are a newbie or if you are a seasoned trader, you will be able to take advantage of all the features and the benefits that Puprime has to offer. So with its powerful features, the lightning fast execution, and the user-friendly interface, Puprime stands out as a top choice for those that are looking to trade forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrency with confidence. Therefore, making it a one-stop, all-in-one shop for all your trading needs. Now, getting started with Puprime, guys, is fast and super easy. Now, the sign up is super straightforward, guys, and just takes a few minutes. If you click on sign up, it will take you directly to this. And it just needs a few information for you to get started right away. So users can actually quickly verify their accounts and begin trading without unnecessary delays. Now, depositing funds is also equally simple with multiple secure payment methods available and ensuring an instant account funding. So when it comes to withdrawals, guys, what I like most about Puprime is they are very, very prompt, and the speed and the transparency are also all there, which gives users quick access to their profits. Now, you gotta go ahead and check this one out, guys. You can sign up for the account and then see for yourself the power of this one. So for traders who prefer the industry standard platforms, Puprime also offers full integration with both MT4 and MT5 as well. So you have the step-by-step tutorials which make it easy to link your Puprime account to your MT4 or MT5, which allows the users to take full advantage of all the charting tools, the automated trading strategies, and the real-time market data. So whether you're a beginner, whether you are a seasoned trader, Puprime is actually providing you a professional-grade experience that is wrapped in a sleek, mobile-friendly app where you could access it on the go wherever you are. As long as you have data, you have internet, you would be able to make your trades anywhere you are. Now, its award-winning customer support is also what I really like to highlight. Educational resources and secure trading environment, which makes it complete package for anyone that is serious about trading. You could hover your mouse over to learn, guys. You have a lot of information that will help you out in getting yourself ready for trading. So you have education, Puprime Trading Academy with quizzes, webinars, video tutorials, market insights, market minutes. All those are accessible if you head on over to their website. Make sure to go ahead and check them out. Of course, do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And you could also make informed decisions with all your investments. So with a growing global user base and trusted platform integration, guys, Puprime is not just another trading app. It's the smart choice for modern traders that are looking for performance, speed, and reliability in one place. So go ahead and check them out, guys. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Test them out and see for yourself the power that it will be able to offer and the benefits that you could enjoy. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.